package has finally arrived. Just dropped off by FedEx ground. Let's go ahead and get them up on the workbench and do another box opening. You guys are gonna like this one. Okay, let's get going with this box opening. I have the roll-up door open to cut down on some of the echo in the garage until I get this audio situation figured out. We're gonna probably be picking up some outdoor noise, cars going by. They're still building in my neighborhood, so there's always a backup beeper. For sure, without a doubt, we'll be hearing a backup beeper. Anyway, let me get a razor blade and be right back. Okay, this is the first time I'm seeing this, along with you guys, so let's go for it. I got the camera on its tripod on the workbench, so you know, it might be, I might bump it a couple times, but I'm just trying to get some shots of this box opening. Like I said earlier, this is something I've been waiting for a long time. I saved for a long time for this, did a lot of homework, and chose this company for this product, and you will see it along with me what it is. Okay, got some protective cardboard inside. That's always good to see. Man, this stuff is packed in here good. What the heck? Frickin' glued. Really? Oh man, it's frickin' glued in here. All right, this is gonna take more than the average box opening. Give me a minute. Serious packers, man. Okay, there's one vital part to this. If you haven't figured out what it is yet, you probably will on the next box, and I'll get the other box up here in a minute. Okay, I want to note that this box came delivered with this hole in it. I hope that it's not going to be a problem because I could see a metal piece right below it. So this thing came shipped FedEx ground, so it probably happened in handling or shipping, because these boxes came all the way from Northridgeville, Ohio. Have to break out the old Stanley. Old school, made in USA. I know you guys enjoy that. Empty box for packing. Pretty slick. Well, here's a little hint. Gotta tell you, man, unbelievably well packed. Another empty box. I gotta stop and mention, this has been one of the best, well-packed packages I have ever received. Unbelievable. I believe another empty box. Okay, here's the crown jewel. Let me set this down. Another hint. Another little sneak peek of what's coming up. Here we go. Check that bad boy out. Beautiful. Before I bring the third and final box up, just wanted to give you a look at the grinder. Man, this thing is beautiful. Just heavy duty, well built. Boy, man, it's nice. Very nice. Man, I can't wait to get this thing going. I'm gonna leave this here. And a very nice powder coating. This is 1/4-inch thick plate. This arm is just, it looks like 1/2 inch to me, just looking at it right off the bat. Just so well built. Anyway, I'll get this out of the way and we'll get the third and final box up. Here we go. All CNC machined. You could probably guess what's in this box. I'll check those little boxes, but oh yeah, there we go. You guys see that? Yes, that is a Baldor. 2 horsepower, 3-phase motor. This is the VFD for the Baldor 3-phase motor. Just to give you a look. There we go. And as you can see on the writing, I had it pre-wired for 220. So there's the owner's manual for the frequency drive. Yes, I will be reading through all of the information. And there's the frequency drive. It's the Genesis KBAC, variable speed. And check that out. They already wired this thing up. That is awesome, man. The only thing I got to do is put a plug on it, and I just happen to have one of them. Here's another look at the Genesis KBAC series VFD and the Baldor 3-phase 2 horsepower motor. This particular model that I got comes with a, they call it the rat arm, and I'll go into more detail about that after full assembly and everything's together. It also comes with the flat plating, and I also bought the 10-inch contact wheel also. So I have several different surfaces or contacts to grind on. Here's one of the parts for the rat arm. Very nicely machined. All edges broken. Very nice. Excellent job, George. Excellent job, man. So far, I am impressed. This is the, for the small wheels, this is the arm. Basically the small wheel set would go in here, and you have a variety of size of small wheels that will go in here. Of course, the tooling arms, all machined, all the edges broke. It's cut into here, so when you tighten down, it doesn't bugger up and where you can't slide it in and out. This is a 1.5 by 1.5 aluminum bar, all machined. Beautiful. Look at this piece, guys. Another part to the rat arm. Beautiful. Look at those finishes. And that's stainless. Okay. Here's a tool arm for the contact wheel. Beautiful. Very nicely done. I like how he labels everything so you know exactly where it goes. All the parts are on there. This is the drive wheel, 5-inch drive wheel. Look at that finish. Top notch there, guys. Top notch. That, I'm guessing, is the tracking wheel. Beautiful. Man, these things are sweet. Look at that, knurling. And I thought I was a good knurler. Very nice, excellent. Okay, the smaller, okay, this is the tracking one. That's the tilt, for the tilt. And the shorter one's for tracking. So, see that? He wrote it on there so I know. I'll explain more about the glass, but it is a Pyrex type glass, and it is for going on the plating to reduce wear. And there it is. Here's a few clips of everything except for the actual grinder itself. We have the tipping stand here, and you know what that's for. It allows the grinder to flip over on its side. These are all the tool arms. This is the rat arm for the work surface, or rest, whatever you want to call it. This is the tool arm for the 10-inch contact wheel. This is a small wheel tool arm. Hardware, all the hardware for, this is for the glass that goes on the plating. Lower shock mount, looks pretty straightforward. Shock mount pins. This is everything the Pro package Northridge Tool grinder comes with. Okay, these are your locking wheels. This is for the rat arm also. This looks like stainless too. These pins look like stainless. I'll verify that and let you know. Tracking wheel. Drive wheel. Ten-inch contact wheel. This is a rubber coating. I don't know exactly what kind of rubber. I'll find out and let you know. Here's your work rest. It's 5 by 8, 5 inches by 8 inches. And the mount for the VFD. And I'll cut and bring the grinder up. Okay, this is in the back side, so it needs to get swapped around. Let me take it out, set it aside. There we go. That's the back, this is the front. Lock that in so it doesn't fall out. Man, this stuff is nice, very nice. Okay, I guess I'll get all the pieces ready and we'll start putting it together. What do you think? Because I think I'm ready.